question is find a, and the equation given is log₁ to the base a plus log of 25 to the base a plus log 125 to the base a plus log 625 to the base a is equal to 10. Now if we observe these terms, 25, 125, 625, these are all powers of 5. So we could write this as, now the first term would remain as it is, that is log₁ to the base a plus log of, now 25 could be expressed as a 5 square, again base a, plus log of 125 could be expressed as 5 cube, and 625 could be expressed as 5 raised to 4. And on the right hand side we have 10. Now we transfer these powers over here in front of the log terms. This 2, 3 and 4. All these 3 powers come ahead using the laws of logarithm. So we have log₁ to the base a plus 2 times log₁ to the base a plus 3 times log₁ to the base a plus 4 times log₁ to the base a is equal to 10. Now we could take log₁ to the base a as the common factor. So within brackets we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So we've taken log₁ to the base a common from each of the 4 terms. And on the right hand side we have 10. Now 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 is 9 and 1, that is 10. So we have log₁ to the base a into 10 is equal to 10. Now if we simplify this further, we obtain log₁ to the base a is equal to, now here we have 10, then divided by 10, this gets cancelled off, so we have 1. So we have log₁ to the base a is equal to 1, and we could easily convert this into the exponential form. So therefore we obtain a to the power of 1 is equal to 5, that is a raised to 1 is equal to 5, converting the log form into the exponential form. So finally we have a equal to 5. So the value for a is 5. Question if log₁ to the base 2 upon 4 is equal to log₁ to the base 2 upon 6 is equal to log of z to the base 2 upon 3k and x³ into y square into z is equal to 1, find k. तो पहले हम ये जो 3 रेशियोज हमें दिए हुए हैं, that is log of x to the base 2 upon 4 equals log₁ to the base 2 upon 6 equals log₁ to the base 2 upon 3k. Suppose हम इन तीनों को assume करते हैं as m. So if we take the first part equal to m, then हमें मिलेगा log₁ to the base 2 upon 4 is equal to m. So log of x to the base 2 is equal to 4m. अब इस पार्ट पे भी हमें फोकस करना है. यहाँ x का पावर है 3, that is we need x³. अब यहाँ अगर हमें x³ चाहिए, so we multiply both sides by 3. तो ये हो जाएगा 3 times log x to the base 2, and इस तरफ अगर into 3 करते हैं, ये हो जाएगा 12m. So finally we have log of x³, ये 3 यहाँ पावर में ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं, to the base 2 is equal to 12m. Now let us consider the second part, that is log y to the base 2 upon 6 let this be also equal to m. ये यहाँ पे आ जाएगा तो 6m हो जाएगा. So log y to the base 2 is equal to 6m. अब y का पावर हमें चाहिए 2, that is y square. So we need to multiply both sides by 2. So 2 times log y to the base 2. अब यहाँ 2 times हो जाएगा 12m. So finally we have log of y square to the base 2 is equal to 12m. अब तीसरा रेशो लेते हैं, log z to the base 2 upon 3k equal to m. So ये इधर लेफ्ट जो टर्म है अपॉन वाला यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं राइट में. So we have log of z to the base 2 is equal to 3km. अब यहाँ z का पावर है 1, तो किसी भी फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So we have the first term, this is the second term and the third term. ये तीनों log terms को हम ऐड करेंगे तो एडिशन का कन्वर्जन हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. So let us add the 3, that is log of x³ to the base 2 plus log of y square to the base 2 plus log of z to the base 2. ये हो गए लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. नाउ लेट्स ऐड द राइट हैंड साइड. ये आएगा 12m प्लस 12m प्लस 3km. अब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एडिशन वुड चेंज टू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो log of base 2, let us multiply the 3. तो ये हो जाएगा x³ into y square into z और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 24m प्लस 3km. लेकिन ये प्रोडक्ट की वैल्यू हमें दी हुई है एज 1, तो इसे हम रिप्लेस कर देंगे बाय 1. So log of 1 to the base 2 is 24m plus 3km. Now we know that log 1 is equal to 0. So this part becomes 0. So we have 3km plus 24m is equal to 0. Dividing throughout by m, हमें मिल जाएगा 3k plus 24 is equal to 0. Then 3k equals minus 24. So we get the value of k as minus 24 by 3, which is equal to minus 8. Question दिया है, if log 3 to the base 30 is equal to x and log 5 to the base 30 is equal to y, then log 8 to the base 30 is how much? तो पहले हम log 8 को कंसिडर करते हैं. Now log 8 to the base 30, इसे हम लिख सकते हैं as log of 2 cube to the base 30. अब इस 3 को हम आगे ला सकते हैं using the law of logarithm. तो ये हो जाएगा 3 times log of 2 to the base 30. अब यहाँ पर देखिए बेस 30 है और हमारे पास दो log वैल्यूज है 3 and 5. तो ये जो वैल्यू है 2, उसे हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं as 30 divided by 15 and 15 होता है 5 into 3, राइट. और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा बेस 30. So इसे हम लिख सकते हैं as 3 times. Now again using law of logarithm, log of a upon b is log a minus log b. तो ये हो जाएगा log 30 to the base 30 minus log of 15 to the base 30. Now log 30 base 30 is 1. So first term तो 1 हो जाएगा. So we have 3 times, ये तो हो जाएगा 1 एंड 15 को हम फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं एज 3 into 5 to the base 30। और फिर से लॉ ऑफ लॉगरिथम हम यूज करेंगे, मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल चेंज टू एडिशन, राइट, लेकिन बाहर माइनस साइन है, so we'll have minus log₃ to the base 30 minus log₁ to the base 30. But log₃ to the base 30 is x, so we have 3 times 1 minus, अब इसकी वैल्यू है x, and log₁ to the base 30 इसकी वैल्यू है y. So our final answer is 3 times 1 minus x minus y. The question is solve for x. So we have been given a logarithmic equation and we have to obtain the value for x. So if you observe the innermost log term over here, the base is 3 and here we have 9, log of 9. Now 9 could be expressed as 3 squared. So we start simplifying from this innermost logarithmic term. So our next step would be log to the base 10 of log to the base 2 of, we have log to the base 3, and this 9 could be expressed as 3 square is equal to x. Now we transfer this 2 ahead of the log term using the law of logarithm. So we have log to the base 10 of log to the base 2 of 2 times log₃ to the base 3 is equal to x. Now we know that log₃ to the base 3, this value is 1. So 2 times 1, that will give us 2, right? So this value is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So we have log to the base 10 of log to the base 2, and this overall value is 2, close the bracket, is equal to x. Now again, log₂ to the base 2 is 1. Log a to the base a is 1. Here also we had used log a to the base a is 1. So again this value is 1 over here. So we have log of 1 to the base 10 is equal to x. Now we can easily convert the log form into the exponential form and we can get rid of this log function. So therefore, we continue over here. We could say 10 raised to x is equal to 1. So converting the log form into the exponential form, we have 10 raised to x is equal to 1. However, this 1 could be replaced by 10 raised to 0. We know that a raised to 0 is 1. Law of indices. Now we have the base same on both the sides. So if we compare the powers, we have x is equal to 0. So the required value is 0.